Now here's something you probably didn't know. I have a Maglite, and the middle parts are supposed to go here. I've already replaced it because I lost it, but in case you lose it, here's what to do. This is the piece you need to take out. Take out the batteries. Before you take out that piece, you need to take out the reflector. This piece. Just unscrew it. Pull this piece off and then take out the batteries. This piece should come out with it. Now, get some foil. You don't need very much. Just, let's say, just half a centimeter. Right? Fits, right? But we need to make it smaller. So what I'll do is fold it over itself. Here and here. Now put it here and stick it in. You need to just crumple it up until it does actually fit in. There you go. The part that holds your bulb. But this is way too long. So just give it a little snippy snip right there. Fold it around the edge. And then stick your bulb in to see if it works. I mean, it fits, but we now need to test it. So let's stick this whole part in, right down the tube. Batteries. And then the cap. The battery end cap. There you go. Brand spanking new metal contactor for your Maglite. And then you should take the bulb out and stick this part in. This part, I don't really know what this does, just probably something for user friendliness. Stick it in, and the contactor should mold around the plastic piece. Then reassemble your Maglite Mini as normal. There you go. Oh, I did not put the bulb in. Make sure to put the bulb in. Yay.